During the night, the situation reverses. Land cools down faster than water, while the sea retains heat longer. The air above the sea remains warm, so it rises, creating a low-pressure area over the sea. Meanwhile, the cooler air above the land becomes denser and sinks, creating a high-pressure area over the land. As a result, the cooler, denser air moves from the land toward the sea. This nighttime wind is called a land breeze because the air flows from the land to the sea. During this time, coastal areas are not extremely cold at night because the land loses heat quickly while the sea remains relatively warm. Water's high heat capacity allows it to absorb and release heat slowly, stabilizing temperatures near coastal areas.